Okay, good morning everybody. A bit of something a little bit different today. Today I'm going to fix the sagging bumper on this ZB, I think it is, 30 Prius. So you can see that it's got a very droopy rear bumper. It moves, but there's nothing you can do about it. There's like little clips under there, but there's not much you can do about it. So I have acquired from Japan these clips that supposedly fit underneath the bumper, one on each side, and push it up. So let's go about it and see how we go. First of all, there's a few bolts we've got to remove. There's some there, and I think there's a couple under here. So I will now remove those. Okay, so I've just moved those couple of bolts, and now it allows this to pull apart. Now there does appear to be a notch in the plastic, similar to the notch on the pieces that I've got. So first of all, I'm going to clean behind the panel. I'm just going to use some mess because these pieces need to be stick on. They've got a 3M tape on them, and I believe they just go behind there and then push up. I'm still not convinced that this is going to work, but hey ho, let's give it a go. Actually, looking at this piece of plastic here, you can actually see where it's bent downwards, so I wonder if that's part of the problem. And what will happen is, with this support underneath it, it's going to push that back up, which will keep that clip straight and therefore join that gap together. But let's find out. Okay, so I'll just take this backing off there. Okay, now get this pushed up underneath there. And there we go. Certainly looks like it's closed the gap. And I've pulled a bit of paint off, but anyway. So yeah, that seems to have done the trick. I'll put a link to where I bought them from, and you can have a crack yourself. Okay, so we've got this gap on the Prius on this side. It's pretty bad here. There we go. Certainly looks a little bit closer than it was. Thanks for watching.